Hello, 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 Sanbonan. Hello, 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 Sanbonan. Hi Gorgies, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your grandma, your grandpa, your uncle, your aunt, your niece, and your nephew. Okay, I hope that just about covers it. I hope you guys are doing well and been having a great start to the year. I hope you've been having a great start to the month of love. So today we're here gathered in these YouTube streets to put together a Valentine's Day look for you when you're going out with your hubster, your boyfriend, your makwa penny, or someone else's person, as we saw from the Instagram poll that I hosted. Ah guys, ni shady. Yeah? Hey. Ngamile batke sanbonani. Hello, 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 sanbonani. Please don't forget to like this video if you do enjoy the content, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, you know, join the Gorgie family. Let's be one together. I promise to keep the content coming. I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs, and this is officially the first video post traveling. I'm back in Dubai and ready to shoot some awesome content for this year. I hope you guys have been enjoying those videos, and I hope you guys are also looking forward to seeing what's coming up next on the channel. If you do want to see how I got to this look and celebrate basically the month of love with me, then do keep watching. First up is eyes. I've just cut some sellotape. Oh, it's gonna be so painful to take this off. Today I'll be going in with both my H&M palette as well as my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. So yeah, that's gonna be a nice one because I'm trying it for the first time when it comes to the Huda Beauty one. I haven't actually used it before, so super excited. We're gonna start by going in with this color from our Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. It's such a nice soft color. It's perfect as the first shadow for this look. So this will help to keep me on point with like a kind of like a nice cat eye sort of look. If you're someone who's clumsy like me, it really helps. Next up, I'm going into my H&M palette, and I will be going in with this color right here. So I'm packing a lot of that. And blending it in circular motions. I'm going in with another brush that does not have any product, and I just want to make sure the blend is seamless. To cut my crease, I'm going into my Fenty Beauty concealer. Just going to put some of that on my hand. I'm going in with this detailer brush from Real Techniques. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm literally just packing that concealer in. I'm gonna go in with my Koukla Beauty eyeshadow. This is in the shade, it's loose eyeshadow. This is in the shade Aeris. This is what the loose powder looks like. It's so shimmery and beautiful. I love it. Gonna grab that, and I'm gonna pack it into my crease. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh, stunning. I love it. I'm gonna go back on that dark eyeshadow and just make sure these two are blended in properly. We don't want any harsh lines anyway. Okay, so let's go on ahead and remove these. Big thumbs up, love it. For eyes, we're also going in with the Koukla Beauty lashes. This is in the kind or type Sophia, which is my absolute favorite. My favorites are Sophia and Carla, so I'm going in with these. I'll be using my Huda Beauty lash glue to secure those. For mascara, I'm going in with the Smashbox SuperFan Fanned Out Mascara. This is one of the minis, and this is just great because it gets right into it. It's so nice and tiny. It gets straight into your lashes and with minimal mess. Like, it's not messy. And believe me, I need something that is not messy because I'm very clumsy. To start it off, I am going in with my Benefit primer. This is the Hydrating primer. I've been trying this out for the past couple of days, so let's see. I'm loving it so far because I have dry skin and I've always been using matte primers, so now I decided to try a hydrating one and just see what the difference is. It feels great on the skin. It's quite light. It feels very I don't know, it does feel like moisturizing. You can tell that it's a moisturizing or hydrating primer, but yeah, it feels and looks really soft. It's very blurring as well. I don't know if you guys can actually see that through the camera, but I definitely think you should try it. Something else that I'm gonna do, which is pretty different or new on this channel, is I'm gonna use my Sephora glow stick just on certain areas because I do want to have a bit of a glow today. I got this recently, so I'm literally trying it out, but I want to glow. I can't use it over my foundation because obviously it would just make the foundation move around. So I'm trying it out today. You guys are seeing it for the first time. I'm trying it out today underneath my foundation. I'm hoping it can act like an illuminator. Let's see, not bad. Next up, I'm going in, because this is a full glam look, I am going for a full coverage foundation, and I'll be using my Estee Lauder Doublewear foundation. There we go. I am in the shade 5W1 Bronze. As you guys know, I've said this before when I was reviewing this foundation. I was like, yes, I love the foundation, but I really don't like the packaging. I understand they were trying to be sleek and cute, but I really wish it had a pump because that would just make it easier for like application and you wouldn't waste so much of your foundation. I love the coverage of this foundation. I love everything about it. It doesn't feel heavy even though it's a full coverage foundation. It does not feel heavy on your skin. It does not, I think it is almost like, it's not matte, you know, especially now that I've applied the illuminating glow stick. It looks very good. Like, it's glowing. It looks like I'm glowing from within. I love it. I love this foundation. Like, I can't get over it, guys. I can't. Next up, we're highlighting using our Fenty Beauty concealer. This is an original fave. I am in the shade 255. I'm going in with a damp beauty blender. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. To set my highlight or my concealer, I'm going to be using my Mercier translucent powder. I'm using the same damp sponge. The same damp sponge. It sounded like I said damn sponge. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime transparent finishing powder as well. This one is way more brighter than the Mercier one, so I do, like you can see, it's like very white, so I do like adding that as well for that extra brightness. I'm using a mini beauty blender. It's so cute. Gonna put that just there. And then we're gonna go back straight into our eyeshadow. So I wanna smoke out my under eye. I'm gonna go in with the dark brown that we used as our outer color. And I'm just gonna go in lightly there. I'm gonna go in with, okay, I can't see the brand on this eyeliner anymore, but I'm going in with a brown eyeliner, and I'm just gonna put that on there, almost smoking my eye out. Gorgeous. I'm going in again with a fluffier brush on that same dark brown color. It's very amazing. I think the shade is Landscape. That's the name of the color. And then I'm gonna use this small it's very hard, it's like a harder brush. I'm just gonna use that to smoke out the brown eyeliner together with the brown eyeshadow. Now I'm grabbing this small brush and I'm gonna go in with this shimmery shade, this one from the Huda Beauty palette, and that will go in my inner corner. Ooh. It's got a bit of a pinkish tone or color to it. It's really pretty, so it blends in really nicely with the browns, because the browns almost look purple now that they're all together. Perfect, we're done with the eyes. Now to contour my face, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Match Stix. This one is in the shade Truffle. And I'm going in with my contour brush from Real Techniques. Going in circular motions on that to blend it in. eliminate the double chin. So when you put a darker shade underneath your jawbone or jawline, that actually creates like almost like a shadow effect that kind of hides any imperfections that you want to hide from down here. And it gives your face a bit more of a, you know, a nice sharp sort of jawline shape. Nose eliminated. Now I'm grabbing a bigger, fluffier brush. This is gonna help me to remove the extra powder. Do you guys see what I mean about the MAC Prep and Prime setting powder? It's really awesome at just brightening the face. Next is highlighter. I am going to be using my Sephora face shimmering powder in Magnetic Glow. Just going to put some setting spray on that. It's a really nice shade. Glow, baby, glow. Love it. And we're almost done, guys. For lips, I'm going in with the the Stunna lip paint from Fenty Beauty, which is my favorite red right now. Look at that. Stunning. Now I'm very clumsy, so I hope this does not turn out terribly. I don't have lip liner, so we're gonna be plugging this out. I hope I don't mess up. And for the sake of it, I'm just gonna go into my Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil palette, and I'm gonna use this shade over here. It's so dirty, guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna use it as my blush. All bronzed up and glowing. Yo. And last but definitely not least, let's set this baby. I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and you know it's about to be extra, so and that is it, honeys. That is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are growing so well. I'm so happy, and thank you to all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel and joined the Gorgie family. I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Valentine's Day, and this is also a tribute to love. I'm feeling the love this month, and I hope you guys are too. Enjoy the rest of your day, your evening, your week, your month. I love you guys so, so much.